Any other thing on ask you before I start with the administration?
We should be provided after.
After 9,
You can provide us with milk or something instead of snacks.
After 9 morning.
9 morning ना?
9 morning.
Evening. अच्छा रात में मतलब आपका.
So after 9 you can just give us
We all want milk.
See, the previous batch used to purchase their own milk and keep it inside the refrigerator and then use it in the microwave or something.
I see some mistake there. Please speak up.
It's okay. It's okay.
How
It's
many
a very
more?
open session.
You can do it this way. How many guys want milk at 9 after 9? That's majority.
बॉयज
So we'll speak.
बॉयज को
बॉयज बोल ही नहीं रहे, मैं इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ, बॉयज भी बोल रहे हैं।
ऐसे मिलके
अगर आपकी श्रद्धा है, गिरो कोई बात नहीं, तो ऐसे ही चलेगा। मेरा पानी पी करके सो
The thing
जाएगा।
is not that na, boys after 9 don't need milk actually. So we are not raising the food question. And that we cannot provide.
Randeep sir is provoking me to say things which you are not doing, which I will also not talk to you.
What the time was like that?
ठीक है, so points taken. We have not done this in the past. That does not mean that it cannot happen in future. We can always look at it, and these feedback sessions will always keep on happening. We'll be having online feedback forms and other things which will keep us engaged and you engaged as well. So please be very, very expressive in all these things. We are all very open to suggestions. There is no 100% assurance that whatever you will say will be implemented, but at the same time it will definitely become okay. Thank you. We start with the administration thing. We have a very small admin team in terms of visibility to you, but there is a very large support team that works, which I cannot invite here so that I can introduce them to you. That is the housekeeping team, we have the electricians, we have the plumbers, we have everyone on board who work very hard to make everything comfortable for you. Just a small request, though obviously it is very initial stage for you to know everybody's names, but at the same time I would really, let's make it a little more interactive. How is the feedback on cafeteria? How do you think it is?
Its interiors are better than CCD.
Sorry?
Its interiors are better than CCD.
And that's all let's say, but how about the food?
Sir, hi sir.
Its taste is high.
Okay.
To re-energize you, I want you to get up. Just get up. Yeah. It's a very simple activity. I keep doing it with my students. I have been taking sessions at many places, many schools. So even school students are able to do it very easily. So it won't be trouble for you. I will ask you to get up to the stage so that you can see me. Right? So what you have to do is you have to keep your hands like this. Right? Simple. You have to keep your hands like this and you will have to clap. Right? When I will tell you. You will have to clap on count of 3. I will be counting 1, 2, 3 and on count of 3 you will have to clap. क्या करना है? अब करना है? On count of 3. Right? So we are clear? From here, what we have to do? We have to clap on count of 3. Right? At the back, what we have to do? Clap on count of 3. Right? I will say 1, 2, 3. On count of 3 we would clap. Right? So let's do it. Let me get on the stage and do this very simple activity. Right? So 1, 2, 3. हुआ लेकिन मजा नहीं आया. एक साथ नहीं हुआ. कोहेरेंस नहीं था. Right? So let's do it one more time. You all are ready? Yes, sir. All at the back? Yes, sir. So let's do it. 1, 2. What happened? Can anyone of you tell me what happened? Did you do as per my instructions? No. Have a seat. Ready? So who will tell me what happened? Yes? What's your name?
Sir, myself Neeti.
Neeti. So Neeti, what happened?
Sir, we have not clapped on the, as per your
You all clapped together, right? It was better than the first time.
Yes, sir.
You all like it? What was my instruction?
Know how things are going to be in the next 2 years. Okay? Me, Vinay, Shivani ma'am, this is Ritu ma'am, again placement manager with us, Aparna. We are all accessible anytime you want from today till your 2 years, even after 2 years as alumni. You can come back to us and take advice. Not that we are also learning, so you don't need to think that we know everything. But with your experiences, we'll also learn. And with your experiences, we'll grow and we'll be able to share those experiences with next batches. You know. So this is a learning process for you and for us here. Okay. But as a team, I'm sure that as a team means as students and the placement team together, I'm sure we'll be able to do justice to your MBA, and everybody, every one of you would be a satisfied manager when you leave this place. Are you with me on this? Yes. All of you? Yes.
Good morning. Who knows I am who I am? Good question, no? And how come I've suddenly come in and walked in here and it's going to take 2 minutes and the teachers have moved off? So do tell me. Hello? Who am I? You don't see the website. You didn't go through any of the things? Sorry? No. Director, city director is there, director is there. One more chance.
I'm chairperson of Ireland.
Yes. Thank you. And name?
Malika.
Malika. Okay. Thank you. What's your name? Arya, I'll never forget you. Okay, so he's given an introduction. So for 20 years, I've seen batches come and go. And I've met lots of students. And today, biggest high I get is when I meet them outside as alumni. They come and say, hello ma'am. I don't remember the faces. I remember the face, not the name. And then they say what they are doing, and so we connect at that time. So I love meeting the new students. So you tell me, why have you come here to do MBA?
I'm a purpose to being an entrepreneur. I have some concerns related to my business, which my father is doing right now. So I don't know much about the future, but I know that after 2 years I will certainly be an MBA if everything was fine.
So where are you from?
Gurgaon.
How many people are from Gurgaon? And you're all staying at the hostel? No? Why?
Home is nearby, so they have the same facilities as hostel has.
But stay, I think you'll enjoy it much because you get to spend more time with your friends, with your peers, with your discussions. It makes a difference. So maybe, it's part of your programming. So if you take that opportunity, I think you'll enjoy it. Who else is from where? So what is Gurgaon? We have Delhi. You guys are all staying in who's not staying in the hostel? Okay. How come? You girls? Both of you? So you don't come and experience it. Come and experience it. You can, I don't know, we'll work it out something. We'll discuss it. We have the names of those students. We'll just
As an Ireland, we have given the opportunity to stay in hostel.
yeah.
So they can stay and work in team. That was told in you also.
I think it'll be good. I'm not saying that. I know home is home. We try to create a hostel here, home away from home. What do you girls say? How do you find it? Any feedback you want to give me on that? You loved it? What was one thing good? Actually, tell me one thing which is good and one thing which is not good. How can it be everything good? That's not possible. You enjoying it?
I wanted to experience it once and now I'm not feeling like doing it.
So you should have a chat with her once. So what was good about it? Is it the room? Is it the meeting of outside? Is it the food? What is it?
Batch. It's everything.
Batch.
I'm really
So do you all spend time in the lounge?
Yes.
Yeah.
After dinner we have,
You sit there?
discussion and chat session.
What time do you sleep?
11 हमारा last होता है, but then 11 हम decide करते हैं 12
And what time do you get up in the morning?
6 o'clock.
Don't you start yoga in the morning?
Yes,
How about it?
ma'am, we have planned, but
but
before
gradually,
So happy if you are ready, if you are a group, we start yoga in the morning. So if you are getting up at 6, might as well make use of the time.
yes, but at home I never used to get up on time, and now without alarm, I
Get up.
Yes.
It doesn't work. It is. It is not bad.
now the responsibility.
My mom is
at
very
home.
happy. You stay there.
Okay. Don't need to come. So that's nice. That's good to hear. But remember one thing. If there's anything you need, anytime, do not hesitate. I come here twice a week. You come weekly, but you've got all the teachers around you. You've got your mentors. So do interact. And if there's anything at any time, do not hesitate to come. I mean, I'm one person, and all my teachers over here I can vouch for, and Shivani was also saying that we're open. We are a team. We're together. So it's not you. It's no more school college. It is not you students or we teachers. We are we, and we're together. We build you. We work together. That you get a good job. I mean, that's the end of it, right? You all come in. Who all want jobs? No, some say that I want to join my father's business. So I'm just doing it.
First, we get a job.
Yeah.
And then after the experience, then you plan out something.
And anybody who wants to be entrepreneurs? So you want to work first and then be an entrepreneur?